Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk about the INNOVV camera systems and third eye system. Now, these guys are out of the UK, and they make these fancy little widgets to keep you safer on your motorcycle. Let's talk camera systems first. We'll talk about what they have in common and then what sets them apart. Now, they all record to a micro SD card, and they all record in a 120-degree angle, so a nice, fairly wide angle for you to record at. The K5 system here and the K3 system both have remote controls and GPS. So you're gonna be able to locate where you're at when you're recording the video. They do have an app available, but with the remote controls, you don't necessarily need to use that. They also both have to be wired into power on your motorcycle to work. So this is a $458 system on the K5. The K3 is a $358 system. The price difference is because of the resolution you get. Both of them come with two cameras. The K5, you have a 4K in the front, 1080 camera in the back, where K3 you just have 1080. But the sleeper one here, I think, is this K6 down here. It looks like a lot less stuff, but I think it's actually a little bit better system. You get a 2K camera in the front, you get a 1080 in the rear. You do have an SD card. It's a little bit weird to get to. You have to take these screws out to put that SD card in there, so that's a little bit different. Otherwise, you kind of have to run everything through the app. There is a start and stop button on this, but the thing I really like about it is you can USB power it. So you can plug it into the USB socket on your motorcycle and power it, so it'd be a lot quicker to mount that. Now you do get less resolution in the 2K, and the 1080, kind of, sorta, but overall I think you're probably getting a better bang for your buck with that system. Down here is their helmet cam. The helmet cam, it does look a little bit on the large side. It does record in 4K. You can hook it up to a power source if you want. I wouldn't, because I don't want that wire running off my helmet. The cool thing here is this battery lasts up to 5 hours. So if you're used to running a GoPro, it normally only lasts maybe an hour of continuous recording. This thing will last 5 hours. So if you're recording your ride on the way home or something like that, you have a little bit of a commute, you have a lot of time to record here. So it is on the big side of things for a helmet cam, but you get a lot of recording time. Now, onto the third eye system. The third eye system is kind of innovative for motorcycles, but has been around in cars for a long time. It's basically crash detection. There's two different setups. Each are $298. You have the blind spot and lane assist right here, which you put these little sensors on your mirror, and then you have the rear crash detection right here. They both use this same little hockey puck style indicator here. You can see we have little indicators on each side, and then you have one in the middle. So if one in the middle lights up, something's coming from behind you. If the one on the sides light up, something's coming in for your blind spots. Now they say they detect stuff 50 meters out, which isn't bad, but they also say it takes up to 3 seconds. Could be quicker. That's where I get a little wonky with it. 3 seconds is a long time. I would hope they would alert you sooner than that, but if it says 50 meters out, that's a pretty decent distance. It also has lane assist, so if you're gonna change lanes, the lane assist is automatically activated when you get this. It's going to tell you if there's somebody in that lane you're moving into, if you can't see them out of the corner of your helmet. You do have to wire these up, and you're going to have about a $600 investment if you get both systems, because they sell them separate at $300 a piece. Interesting technology, would definitely help keep you safer. If you're looking for more information on this, you can click the info tab on your desktop or mobile device. It'll take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs about all of these systems. Still looking for more information? Feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Now go work on those motorcycles.